What's up, guys? The day has come. Ryan Thorman is at Diamond C, the winner of the Spring Do Work giveaway. So let's go meet him and see just which trailer he's pulling back to Arizona. What's up, man?
How you doing, Jay?
How's it going? Welcome to Diamond C.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. You have a good trip?
Yes, sir.
Awesome,
Yes, sir.
yeah. When did you leave?
I left about 7:30 yesterday morning.
Ooh, that's hustling to get from Phoenix.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We were
that's
home,
awesome.
But we made it.
Yeah, cool deal. Well, hopefully it'll be worth it. Yeah, we're here in a minute. We'll go back. Remember, like Brian said, keep it on the DL. We're going to do an announcement. You saw the video.
Yes, sir.
Where we kind of left it to be continued. So that's where we're going to pick up.
You got
so we're going to give everybody what they've been waiting for.
All right.
Cool. Let's go
Sounds
take a
good.
look. Yes, sir.
Wow. Thank you. 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 Thank you.
You're not nervous, are you? Maybe just a little bit?
Yeah, just a little bit.
All right. So how many miles was it?
About 1,200 miles.
1,200 miles since 7:30 yesterday morning.
Mm-hmm.
This giveaway started middle of March. So you've been a little bit eager, right? Anticipation.
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
We left off in the video and everybody is waiting. You had the choice between 4 different trailers. You had an F-Max, GTF, LPX, and LPT. And now the moment of truth. Who's ready to hear which trailer he is gonna choose? Y'all wanna count with me? 3, 2, 1.
I'm going to go with the LPT.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Big ones line up, little ones bunch up.
I'm Ryan Thorman, and I'm the winner of the 2024 Spring Do Work giveaway.